and size. 5-minute no gear routine changes in weeks. Now, first move. Hold 45 seconds. Stand tall. Arms at sides. Keep straight. Use only wrists. Curl palms up. Press down. Feel forearms stretch, contract. Repeat. Second move. Hold 45 seconds. Stand tall. Arms forward at shoulder height. Clench fists. Rotate from shoulders. Alternating up/down. Drawing circles. Rest for 15 seconds. Third move. Hold 45 seconds. Use a sturdy table edge. Lean forward. Spread fingers. Let palm heels hang off. Using forearms, raise then lower your body, alternating to fully trained forearms. Fourth move. Hold 45 seconds. Start in high plank. Raise core. Stay straight. Lift each palm heel. Shift weight to fingers. Lower slowly back down. Alternate hands. Repeat. Rest for 15 seconds. Move 5. Hold 45s. Kneel in a modified push-up. Legs crossed for stability. Fists shoulder width support you. Lower slowly near the floor. Then press back up. Repeat. Congrats! Keep it up, stronger grip, bigger arms ahead.